Hi, I'm Rachel,
And I'm Ashley.
and in this video we share some reflections on our experience preparing and implementing a coding plus mathematics activity in collaboration with a school teacher for the Niagara Catholic District School Board for grade 7 mathematics students.
So when we had started this project, our teacher wanted an activity that involved solving algebraic expressions, and the students already had a lot of experience working in Scratch. So we wanted to expand their knowledge by introducing the students to Python. Our activity we created all by ourselves, and we didn't use any resources, so including for the program and the example questions we used. Our activity requires students to solve word problems by solving and manipulating algebraic expressions and plotting linear equations. The activity then prompts students to use these skills to alter and manipulate aspects of a provided Python program about the word problem.
We wanted to make sure that our activity met some of the learning expectations for the grade 7 math curriculum, and we focused on the goals of understanding variables and expressions and also altering code. During the activity, we also wanted to emphasize that all coders make mistakes and that our mistakes help us grow as learners. So like I said, we had a primary focus on problem solving in real life application. And the lesson covers the grade 7 curriculum strands for social emotional learning skills and algebra, with the social emotional learning skill being to maintain positive motivation and perseverance throughout the math and coding. And then for the algebra being to demonstrate an understanding of variables and expressions in various contexts. And then the lesson also obviously covers the coding aspects of the curriculum, specifically the goals of creating computational representations of mathematical situations by reading and altering existing code.
So before the lesson, we reviewed the concept of solving algebraic expressions to ensure the students had a good grounding before combining the mathematics and coding in Python. This included showing the students some word problems and example problems. During the lesson, some students were very engaged, others were still interested, but others were confused, stuck, or stressed from working in the new learning environment of Python, as some were not yet fully comfortable with the mathematical concepts they needed to use. While instructing, we had to stress to the students that failure is common to all programmers and is a part of the learning process, and that perseverance is key to success for all programmers, as they will encounter errors in their code regardless of their skill level and need to try to solve these errors. The students also expressed a lot of agency when given time to explore and play around with different aspects of the code, which is something the students need to have lots of time for. Some of the students altered the numbers in the random generator, while others changed the topic of the problem altogether to be about hockey jerseys.
So through this collaboration, we learned a lot of things. I think mainly the most important thing we learned is to be adaptable, how we teach and also what we teach. Our associate teacher was extremely adaptable and eager to get more technology into her classroom, which led to a successful collaboration because we all had different skill sets, which I think was important. We also learned a lot about the students' agency throughout our time in the classroom, because it was interesting to see how interested they were and how eager they were to get into the learning. Also, to be adaptable, we had to meet the needs of our students on the days. We also worked with the associate teacher for that, which was very helpful because after the first day we had to alter the program. So it was really important, the collaboration of all three of us to make a successful lesson. We are both really thankful for the opportunity to enter the classroom and engage with an experienced teacher, and thank you for your interest in the resource we have developed. We hope it is helpful to you and your class. Thank you.